we're gonna go over how to do the Sumo Romanian deadlift. This is very similar to a regular Romanian deadlift, except we're taking a wider stance. Remember, with a deadlift, all the movement is coming from the hips. It's a hinge movement. We're pushing the hips back. We're not squatting down, pushing the hips back. So with the Sumo Romanian deadlift, we're gonna be working more on the outsides of our glutes. So we wanna take a little bit of a wider stance. Toes are gonna be turned out, so they're not gonna be forward, they're gonna be turned out. You're gonna push your butt back to grab the weight, bring it up, and then you're repeating that. Butt goes back, pushing the butt back until you feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your glutes, and then you're popping your hips forward. Notice how I don't go all the way down and round my lower back. I only go down as far as I can until I feel that stretch in the back of my legs and I can't push my butt back anymore, and then I'm coming up. So here's a side view. I'm only going down right below my knees until I can't push my butt back anymore, and then popping my hips up. The key here is to go down nice and slow and controlled, and then explode on the way up.